What's up guys, BB-8 is here, and today I'm gonna show you this Star Wars remote control BB-8. So I just got in Target, so I want to show it to you what inside of this box. But if you can see, that's BB-8 and the remote, and on the side it's BB-8's picture. In the back is some information about this remote control. It said the head stay in the top of the bowl, and it can go anywhere. Like it can rotate, and it can speak. And the side, yeah, that's how the bowls roll. And that's it. Let's open up. So this is what we got inside the box. Some bowl. I think this the machine gonna put in here in the bowl so BB-8 can move the remote, BB-8 head, and some information how to install BB-8. So here we go guys, I'm done fixing BB-8. So you need 4 AA battery from him, inside of him. So, and then 2 AAA for the remote. So right now we gonna try it how it goes. And now it's turning crazy. So here we go guys. I think this one is for rotating his head. So this is going right, and this is going left, and this one is going straight. So it said, so if it says towards there, so, and if you press this, it's going straight over there, and it's going over. So if you rotate this head, so if you go straight, it's going here. Whoops. Then it goes back here. It's pretty cool, but for me, it's slow. And my room is so small. Wait, this hard. There we go guys. So here's BB-8 remote control for Star Wars, this coming Star Wars. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, just leave the comment below, and if you like this video, just leave a like, and for more epicness, just subscribe. And that's it, thank you, ta-da.